Why did I choose this top? This is so hot. Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another haul video for you guys. Kaka-upload ko lang ng haul and ito na naman, haul na naman tayo. Pero alam ko marami sa inyo gusto yung haul, so this is for you. Anyway, I have some jewelries in here. Tapos meron ako mga skincare products, skincare tool, which is really exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then, yeah, hair tools. Tapos mga kung anik-anik. Anyway, I will go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with this thing right here. Ito yung MNR Micro Needle Roller. Really interesting kasi meron talaga siyang as in mga tiny needles. My gosh. Hindi ko pa siya na-open kasi I'm not planning to use this anytime soon. Ayoko lang na makontaminate siya. Char contaminate. It looks really scary. I haven't really tried anything like this before. Yung mga needle na ganap. I will definitely vlog kapag nagamit ko na siya or kapag ginamit ko na siya in the future. So yeah, and this is from Derma Rollers PH. I will leave their Facebook link, Instagram link below. And oh, meron din siyang YouTube channel. So I will leave those links below. And then the original price of this is 750 pesos, but you will get 10% off. The code is YT rhaze. I will leave that in here and then below as well. You will get 10% off. So if you're interested, sa mga nakagamit na nito, let me know what do you think about this. Ano ba siya? Scary ba siya? Nakakaloka siya? And then I have some stuff from rsvarietyshop. Again, links will be below. Tapos yung mga prices din ililive ko below kasi I have no idea kung magkano tong mga to. I still need to ask the seller. Anyway, the first thing she sent me is this Topsonic hair care, parang hair straightener na sobrang liit. And then she also sent me, this is the universal clip lens. I am so excited. I want to do a review on this. Let me know if you want me to do a review on this. Meron siyang dalawang lenses, fish eye, tapos macro and wide angle. Wait, dalawa lang yun. Na-check ko na to eh. Dalawa lang yung lenses meron siya. Tapos, yeah, dalawa lang yung lenses meron siya. Pero sabi dito, merong tatlo. Fish eye, macro, and wide angle. Tapos dito din, merong tatlo. Merong isa kasama na dito sa clip talaga. Tapos, merong isa dito. Tapos yung isa walang laman. Cap lang siya. Yung wala is yung wide angle lens. Wala dito yung wide angle lens. So, that's weird. It's one of those Sassy TV products, right? Is it? I'm not sure though. But let me know if you want me to test this on camera. Kasi I was so excited when I saw this sa shop niya. I was like, I want to try that. The last thing she sent me are these bad boys right here. I'm so excited kasi naubos na yung Keratin ko for hindi ko alam kung ilang buwan na hindi ako gumagamit ng Keratin. Finally, I have it again. And ilan ba? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I have 12. Thank you so much, Sissy. And that's everything from rsvarietyshop. Thank you again so much. Okay, next package is from Kim's Collections 2015. Oh my gosh, you guys. Sobrang mamimiss ko tong batang to. She is definitely the most generous seller na I have worked with. And sobrang nice din nitong batang to. You deserve all the blessings you have right now. So embrace it, girl. And yeah, God bless the business mo. As in, sobrang you deserve it. Thank you so much. Pero napapaiyak ako ng bonggang. She sent me this package and she told me na it's gonna be the last package she will send me for a while kasi nga diba aalis ako. But yeah, I don't wanna cry. Ang OA parang hindi na babalik. Babalik pa ako, nakakaloka. Napaiyak lang ako sa note niya kasi yan, dito yung note niya. Anyway, the first thing she sent me is this eyebrow coat. I'm actually reviewing this right now. So, sa review na yun, I will have the same top. This is the eyebrow coat from Daiso. This is actually called Everbelena eyebrow coat. So, bongga, Everbelena. Kasi nandito pa talaga yung hawak-hawak ko talaga yung isang binigay niya sa akin. Nandito pa talaga yung plastic, tapos yung receipt. Binigay niya sa akin para daw ma-add sa mga products na i-review ko. Super sweet, as in super sweet mo talaga. Thank you so much. And then, she also sent me the bracelet that I featured on my previous haul. Akala ko kasi noon, akin yung bracelet. Nakakaloka. Assuming ako, hindi pala akin yun, kay mama pala. And I mentioned on my video na I really like it. So yeah, pinadalhan niya ako ng bago. This time, it's for me na talaga, hindi kay mama. Ito yung Tiffany & Co. inspired bracelet na may heart na ganap dyan. Tapos, binigyan niya din ako ng earrings, you guys. I don't really wear earrings kasi, I don't know, it's just a hassle. Ang gusto ko kasi yung mga jewelries ko, nasusuot ko sila pag tulog. Pag natutulog kasi ako, hassle talaga yung earrings kapag, you know, I move around. I don't like na meron akong ganap sa ears ko kapag natutulog ako. So, kapag nagsusuot ako ng earrings, I take it off before I sleep. Tapos, nakakalimutan ko siyang isuot pagising ko sa umaga. That's why I just don't wear earrings anymore. Pero, she gave me earrings and so cute. Parang maliliit na hoop earrings lang yung binigay niya sa akin. Thank you, Kim. And then, she also sent me 3 pendants. Nakita niyo yung isa nito I wore on my previous vlog. Merong red, merong may pagka-turquoise, tapos black. And then the last thing she sent me, she knows me really well. She gave me this Caronia Nail Care Fast Dry Top Coat. I already used this. I have it on my nails right now. And yes, bongga talaga siya, as in fast dry talaga siya. And that's everything from Kim's Collections 2015. You guys, check out her shop. She's a really nice seller and also a really nice person. So yeah, thank you, Kim. And the next package is from Radafph PH. She's also selling mga jewelries. She sent me 2 cross necklaces. I have one right now. Itong suot ko ngayon is from Kim's Collections 2015. Tapos she gave me 2 cross necklaces. I'm gonna give one to my sissy para twinning kaming dalawa. And then she also sent out this necklace with a cross and then the R. So parang double chain necklace siya. Let me show you. Meron akong plano nito. Like, I'm gonna put the cross sa front, tapos yung R sa likod if it works out that way. No, it doesn't really work. Oh well. Looks like that. Really, really cute. Thank you so much for that. And then the last thing she sent me, this girl is so sweet as well. Erica, thank you so much, girl. She sent me this Rosary bracelet and looks like that. I really appreciate what she did kasi pinabless pa niya talaga to kasi daw to guide me sa trip ko. Thank you so much. Nakakaloka kayo. Ang bait-bait niyo sa akin. Anyway, yeah, it looks like that. I wore it na kasi it's really special. So thank you so much, Erica. I really like it. And that's everything from Radafph PH. And then another jewelry shop. This one is the Love Shop 012. I believe, I'm not sure, wait. Yes, the Love Shop 012. And the first thing she sent me is this Michael Kors na watch. Obviously, it's not the real deal, but it looks like that. Very blingy. As in, super blingy. Looks like that. Thank you so much. And then, you guys, are you ready? Look at this. Yes! Yung packaging niya, I think she won the best packaging. Tingnan niyo to, ha. Sobrang cute na packaging mo, girl. Look at this. Merong mga candy. Tapos, meron ding mga ganito. So, yung packaging niya, functional talaga. Magagamit mo talaga siya para i-store and i-display yung jewelry mo. Like, kung hindi mo na siya magagamit, like, mati-display mo to sa vanity mo kasi it's acrylic. And makikita mo talaga yung jewelry mo sa loob. The first necklace she sent me is this star necklace. So cute! Wala pa ako nitong star eh. Ito din, medyo mahaba siya sa akin. So, kailangan ko din i-adjust yung chain na to. But that's okay. Super dainty ng heart. As in, sobrang cute ng... No, heart. Anong heart? Sobrang cute ng star. Did I say heart the whole time? My goodness. Next jewelry she sent me is this. Meron siyang 3 squares right there. Super cute din ito. And same with the star one. Mahaba siya sa akin. I will need to adjust it. I will vlog kung paano ko i-adjust yung necklaces ko. It's really easy though, pero ang dami kasi sa inyong nagtatanong kung paano ko i-adjust yung necklaces ko. So, I'm gonna show you guys in one of my vlogs in the future. And then, she sent me an anklet. I believe this is an anklet. Na-try ko na to and I really like it. Meron siyang key, which is right there. Tapos, meron siyang just regular round thingy. Actually, just keys and mga balls lang. Char balls. So, yeah, ang cute niya sa paatingnan. So, that's that. And then, she also sent me earrings. This one is different. You know what? I should have worn this today. Ito yung parang pag ganyan yung ganap niya sa ears mo. Ang liit ng ears ko, diba? Meron siyang mga stars. O, diba? Stars siya. It will match my star necklace. So, yeah. Tapos yung star niya, meron ding mga rhinestones na ganap. And then the last thing she sent me, I actually have been wearing. This is the ring right here. The ring is so cute. I have been wearing this. So, meron akong double ring na ganap dito sa finger na to. Kasi, it doesn't really fit in here. Medyo maliit siya for this. Tapos, medyo malaki naman siya for here. So, I do not know. But yeah, that's the last thing from the Love Shop 012. Sissy, thank you so much for sending those, and to all the shops, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I'm pretty sure I'm already in Australia while you're watching this video. So yeah, I'm still doing my best to upload videos every single day kahit na I'm traveling and all that ish. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, vegan. Bye! Ay nako, sobrang init na talaga. She gave me Keratin. Oh gosh, our dog. Nasabi ko kasi akala. Doggy.